Most change orders don't start on site. They start earlier, when a client signs off on something they didn't understand. For years, builders have been asking clients to approve homes that they've never fully understood. A floor plan shows the layout. It shows where things go. What it doesn't show is what it actually feels like to be inside that home. And still, we ask them to sign. Most of them do. They trust the process. They're excited. Then the frame goes up. They walk the site for the first time, and something feels off. They didn't change their mind. They finally understood what they agreed to, and now it's a change order. For years, we have tried to solve it with more communication. More meetings, more renders, more explanations, more detail. That was never the real gap. The real gap was experience. We were asking people to approve a space they couldn't actually stand inside yet. Plans are 2D, a home is not. And most people can't bridge that gap accurately. So the gap shows up later, usually at the worst possible moment. This isn't a client problem, it's an information problem. And when you change that, decisions get made with more understanding. Not because the client was pushed, but because they finally understand what they were saying yes to. Tap the link in the description to find out more. In the next video, I will show you what happens when a client gets to walk through their home before it's built.